Shouldn't be too hard at all.
Sure. Snap, Maestro. Only, where do we start?
Right here.
Greetings everybody, welcome back. And this, I've got a Peter Pan. There we go. And there it is there. This is, according to the Radio Museum, 1954. And the model is a JPM. And in fact, it's an Astor. An Astor JPM chassis, pardon me. And I guess it's just like that other supposed Peter Pan that I worked on. To me, that was just an Astor chassis. But anyway, this one does say Peter Pan. And the case is in, I think, yeah, it looks to be in good condition. The colour's faded, unfortunately. But no cracks that I can see. And we've got a replacement power cord, earth wire, aerial wire there. So let's get this thing opened up and see what we can make of it. I've got my trusty screwdriver. Let's get this opened up. Let's see what we're in for. Okay, right. Nearly there. Just get this the band out of the way. Get the cord out. Come on, come out. Gotcha. Here we go. Let's tip over. Oh God! Oh shit! Oh dearie, dearie me! Look at that. That's fucked. Oh God! Add the tuning rods. Look at it. That's exactly how it is. That's, I don't know, it's come out. Whether that can be saved or not, I really don't know. Okay, that's the first port of call. I'm going to play around with that and see if I can get it in, and see if the thing actually turns. So I'll just play with that for a couple of minutes or a couple of hours, who knows. Okay, this is my plan. I've pulled this out earlier. Probably doesn't want to come out now. There it is. And that is a spring. But this thing's useless. I was playing around with it and it just bends. So I think we'll scrap that, and what I'm going to try is I've grabbed some nails and I've got a tiny little brad here, which that would fit in there nicely and snugly. No, you can't see what I'm doing, but here's the idea. So there's the brad, and fix it up under there, and it's pretty much the same size. The nail's just a tad longer. That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter at all. So I'm going to get that in there. I'm going to put a dab of epoxy. I can't think of anything else. I don't know what sort of metal that is. Oh God, maybe it's not even metal. It's probably a carbon rod. I don't know. But it looks broken too. There. So I'm just going to use some epoxy and see if that actually will work. Well, it's worth a go. If it doesn't, if that thing's cactus, then I really can't do anything with the radio. I just don't have any of these at all. And I would hate to try and get a normal tuning gang on there. How the hell? Oh, God. Oh, it's possible, I suppose. Anyway, see what I can come up with. Okay, so here we are, back again, and 24 hours later, roughly 24 hours later, I've let the glue dry overnight, just an epoxy 2-pack thing, and I thought, well, I'll give it, you know, as much time as I can, and here we go. I'm going to try and turn this dial and see if the thing bloody works. Oh, that's alright. Not bad. Probably that's as far as it's going to go. I'm not sure if that's the end of the band, but because I yesterday when I was putting the glue on initially, I waited for about 20 minutes and it just kept pulling apart. So that's why I sort of blobbed it on. And if I lose a little bit of the low end of the band, I'm assuming. Oh, that's no big deal because really it's just ABC 3 and 3AR, I think. Anyway, after that there's bugger all. So that's good. That's good. All right, I'm going to get that chassis out of the case and I'll test the speaker, and then I'm going to fire it up, make sure that these little buggers are still working. And if they're not, well, I'm not going to proceed with it unless I can get replacements. I think anyway. So. That's my current thought. So I'll get this thing out. Okay, here it is, and it does look untouched. Oh no. Oh well, maybe. I forget what year it is, but there's a pink cap there which is sort of out of place. But other than that, okay. I've got what that's at 24 microfarad. There's the cap can up there, 16, and. Like I said, I'm just going to test the speaker, and then that looks like the output transformer right there. And let me see. Okay, so I've got one going to the speaker, and the other one, yep, other side. I can see I think I can see the red wire. Anyway, there's the primary side up there. And that's got to be the plate. Right there. And that's going out to the rectifier. I'll take the black one there. So just attach that. Let's see. Yep, it works well. Good. Alright. I'm going to power this up and see if we get any sound out of it. Normally, I know I don't do that normally. I like to change the filter caps, but I've got the question about the tuner, and I don't really want to be wasting my time swapping out caps, and yeah, find it doesn't work. So I'll just set myself up, and then we'll come back. Okay, I'm ready, and we'll just monitor that big 24 microfarad cap. Where's the negative there? One goes there, positive. Well, that's here. Okay, we'll find out if the rectifier is working, and I'll monitor the current limiter. Sorry, I couldn't think of what it was called. Here we go. Let's give it some power. And I'm just having trouble with my multimeter. Here we go. Okay, so far so good. That's about 95 volts. I can see a dial globe's lighting up. Not getting any DC yet, but that could be. Building up, something's happening. It's only registering millivolts though, and here we go. Gee, we're up to 1 volt. I'm at 140 volts in mains. No, that's certainly not enough. That's not going to work. I don't believe it. It works. Oh well, bite my tongue. Got it wrong. Okay. Hold on, I'll just bring it back up again. And
已多元文化憲章同埋鞏固目前嘅多元文化諮詢理事會嘅地位。
not bad.
憲章內容列出居民。
Not bad at all. It bloody well works. Shit. Alright. Gee, that's I don't know with these little sets sometimes. That took a while for the voltage to come up on the cap. But, hey, you know, it works. Shit. Oh, the owner would be pleased. Well, I'm going to give this a blowout before I start my work on it. Just get rid of all those cobwebs and dead spiders and everything. And, shit, again. I'm sorry, I just laugh at myself sometimes when you don't expect it to work and it just does. Amazing technology. Alright, so I'll give this a clean out and then we'll come back and we'll change those caps. I'll clean it now and let's get that cap out. And that'll be the positive end, which it is, nice and red. And just get that out there. Let me see. So it'll go like that, yeah. Just wondering where to put the band. Come on, gotcha. No, you probably can't see too much. Let me bring the light down. Which way I'm going to crimp it. Cool. I figure show you my soldering skills and whatnot. Yeah, but if you're brand new, it's what you want to see. I certainly did. All this mundane stuff. Just see what people do, how they do it, so you can copy them. That's positive, that's done, and negative side, where are you? There. And I've got a little bit of mucking around. Okay, my hands are going to be all over that, so I'll just I'll do that off camera. I've got that, and let's just solder it up. Don't know if you can see it, but I am right-handed, so that's pretty good. And that should all buzz out properly. Yep. Nice. Let's just move those things around. I know they won't take, that's solid as a rock. Alright, the other cap can, that's 16 microfarad, there it is. And, oh, you can't see it. And, so, where are we? Oh, God, there we go. So, right there. And, oh, don't want to touch that, just in case. So, okay, just a simple, straightforward one. Where am I going to put the cap though? Because I always just leave the cap cans in place just for aesthetic value. Not that you can really see it with this model having a backing plate on, backing on the case. But still, looks all right. So I'm thinking, I'll get a 16 first. Yeah. And, I don't know, there. Yeah, but you have to change the speaker, you're in all sorts of bother. And down here. Let me see. If I only got to worry about the, I can earth it somewhere, anywhere. It just doesn't quite fit. Ah, well, I guess I've got no choice. It's going to have to go there. And there's a convenient earth, sorry, there. It's a convenient earth spot there. And I'm just going to have to run a wire along and put it there. So anyway, that's where I'm going to leave it, and just I'll glue it in place, and then I'll come back once the glue is set. Okay, the glue's set on that, and I found an even more convenient earth point for it. It's on this terminal strip here. So I just lengthened the lead a bit and shoved it through the hole, and that's fine. And for the positive end, I've already cut some wire to length, and if we go to the original point there, as you can see, these two wires there that were attached to the positive of the can, and well, the black one just goes to that spot there, and the brown one up to here. I'm just going to attach this wire, one end of it to there, and of course I'll solder that up, shrink tube that up so it's insulated, and that'll be fine. And the cap will be fed from both those wires, or it feeds them, one of the two. Okay, finally got it, and let's just crimp that on there, and the other side, looking good. Bit of solder. I'm just checking the camera so you're all seeing what I'm doing. Cool. And where's my other end? It's come out of where it should have been, where I wanted it to be. I know you can't see it, but I'll get there in a second. Right, got it. So that's one end, just check for continuity. Good. Hold you in place. Nah, out you come. Get you in there. Good. All set. Alright, I'll play around and thread that through again. Okay, that's all up there, and wrapped it around, so a little bit of solder. Nice. A touch more. Okay. Looking good. So, and where are we? And I've already cut a bit of, actually, I'll just solder that up a little bit more. Make sure it's going to be solid. I think that'll be okay. Yep, it's not going anywhere. And the fun part, shrink it. Good enough. So we can tuck that away. And I think some of the wiring needs to be replaced too. The insulation's just sort of, yeah, you can see it. Yeah, we'll do that one for sure. Alright, all things being equal, that should work. And where are we? Positive. Oh yeah, sorry, I'll come back up. I'm just we'll monitor the that second filter cap. Cool. Think you can see? Yeah, you can. Good. Alright. Hopefully I've done everything correctly. Pretty sure. Let's give it some power. That's at 170 volts. No smoke. Oh, finally. That's 225 volts. And that'll be enough. Gee, it takes the DC a while to come up. And I should have the antenna plugged in. And I will do that now. Where's the volume?
This is 2020 with Neil Johnson, helping you make sense of life,
Okay, go back a bit. Sorry, I'm just listening there. Cool. That's not bad. That's not bad. I was trying to find the ABC and, you know, wherever it is, but I may not have it. As I said, I've got a suspicion that that glue, I put too much on there. So, yeah, I'm going to lose something, but I might be able to maybe scrape some off and give it a bit more play. I'm not sure. Other than that, look, it works pretty well, actually, for, you know, what it is. So I'm going to do what I normally do, and any voltage left in that? No. That cap's pretty drained down to the millivolts. I will change caps and check out the resistors, and yep, normal thing. So that's not too bad. All right, I'll start doing that. Well, the Peter Pan is done and looking pretty good. I'll just switch it on, and that's just on full power now. So wait for it to warm up. It does take a little bit to warm up, but hey, I was thinking of changing the rectifier valve, but either way, I just want to see how long it lasts, and if it does pack up, then I'll change it.
Do you think you can see inside?
In fact, that's not too bad, I suppose. Maybe I'm just impatient.
Watchdog didn't have the powers. How do you know you've got the powers you need?
Here we go. So, apart from that broken tuning rod, well, yeah, well, that's fixed. So it's all working well. I've enjoyed it. It's been easy, but I always had one little problem to fix. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all again very, very soon. So take care. Have fun.